went off. One period. So yesterday was a holiday. So that one period gone. I have to finish the portion now. So exercise 4.1 today. Full period and all we cannot waste in simply telling your marks. What you already wrote, you already got. It's very nice paper only. It was an easy paper and you wrote nicely only. No one got fail marks, I think so. All are passed only this time. Last time I think one or two they got very less marks and were the failures. This time no failures at all. The minimum mark is 9. That is the minimum 1, 9. 9 is a passing mark only. 9, 9.5 something. So starting from that only. No one got less than that. So everybody passed. That's a good thing. And many got you very good marks only. That we'll say in the last 10 minutes. Now shouldn't ask anything. Now we are in the chapter of HCF and LCM. Last class, okay, I gave you introduction about the prime numbers and about the factor tree method, how we have to split that. And by the same number, I showed you in division method also. Successive division means by keeping on dividing only by the prime numbers. So only by prime numbers, when we keep on dividing, we will get the prime factors. That is called prime factorization. Any number, any composite number can be written as a product of prime factors. That is what we mean by prime factorization method. Factor tree method, same thing, same like prime factorization only, splitting the number into two factors. Again splitting. If it is a composite, again to split. If it is a composite, again to split. At last, we have to stop at a position where we get the prime numbers. If we are getting the prime numbers, we have to stop there. We have to represent the number as a prime factors, product of prime factors. That is our work in case of factor tree and prime factorization method. We have only 2 exercises I have taught as a portion for our essay 1 from this chapter. Exercise 4.1 and 4.2. This alone I thought of keeping. Even though we have 4.3, 4.4, which is very important, that we will go for the next term. You one I already told the answer. For your question text mark, that stories and all told already. Now listen. So 4 exercises are there. First 2 exercises are about HCF. That we will have this term. Next LCM is there. Next 2 exercises next term. So let me complete 4.1 and 4.2 within 1 week. Within a week, we need to complete. Understood? Exercise 4.1, question number 1, simply you can write in the textbook itself. In the textbook itself. It is not a problem. It is simply a concept, whether it is a prime number or a composite number. That's all. So, determine whether the following numbers are. Now stop chatting. No need to answer anything. No question. Now just listen. Determine whether the numbers or the following numbers are the prime numbers. Just we have to say prime or composite. 103. 103 will not come in any table at all. It is a prime number. Just we have to write this. You write this in your textbook with your pencil. Using a pencil, just write this. Near the number. It is just a concept oriented one. This is A, this is B, this is C. If I keep on answering your chat, full period will go. What is this? What is that? When you will tell test marks, when the period will be over. Tomorrow is Wednesday or what? Like these questions and all, you keep on asking. I already told already. Last 10 minutes, test marks. Now listen to the portion. Just listen to this, what we have for this term. Concentrate and understand so that you can do homeworks also. Homeworks will be given. Every day it's coming, no? Whenever you have math schedule, I mean. Weekly 3 days. So 103 is the prime number, which means it won't come in any other table except it's one table and its own table. And this is also 228 means it will come in the even numbers, all composite numbers. So it will come. This number, this is also a prime number. This is just a concept to know that what is it. Like these questions I will not ask in the exam. No need to worry. Only about prime and this composite. Fill in the blanks regarding that last chapter we had, smallest prime number, greatest prime number, listing out. That all will ask. Should not refer textbooks. Many are referring the textbooks and writing. That is not at all good thing. Without referring anywhere, understand the question and write. In the essay one, I will change the question. Fill in the blanks also I am going to change. This time I changed only 2 marks and 3 marks. I changed the numbers. I gave from review and all. Next time fill in the blanks also will change. So that no one can copy anything. No chances of copying should be there. Totally understand, practice, do. 817. 817 comes in the 19 table. So 19 table it comes. So it is not a 19 I am writing. If I say 19, I'll write 19. 817 comes in the 19 table. How it comes? 4 19s are 9 4s are 36, 6 carried over 3 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7, 76 5. 7 57. Done. Free it was. 9 3s are 27, 7 carried over 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. 57 minus 57 0. 43 19s are 817. So not a prime number. We can see that this number comes in 19 table. I wanted to show that, that's all. This number comes in 19 table, it is coming. When some number comes in any table, it is not a prime number. It is a composite number. Here they are asking, write it, prime or not a prime. So which is prime, which is not a prime, just write in textbook. Textbook, write it off. Let us pass on to the question number 2. These questions will not be asked. This is just to understand only. Question number 2 says, find the prime factorization of the following numbers using the factor tree method. Now we are going to do the factor tree. From this only important. From this, everything is going to be important only. Factor tree method, very, very easy. Last year also you had, but I think you would be having small numbers only. This time little bit big numbers also can come. Easy only. So 2A and B, 2 questions are there. One I will do one for you. 2B. 72. Easy. When we know tables, we can do this. Factor tree method of this 72. 54 homework summa. A1 round and keep. This is B1. Split the number into 2. Okay. Now, which table it comes? 72 is a composite number. It comes in 9 table, 8 table. 9 is this and all you must only know. 9 is 72. If you know only, you can do factor tree. Okay, ma? So 9 is 72. Both are composite numbers. Composite number, I need to split them. Definitely, we need to split it. Splitting means to say tables and to split them as a factors. Okay. Already did Hania. I don't know what is the problem that you have. I don't know. So 9 can be splitted as 3 3s are 9. 8 can be splitted as 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8. We have splitted the number. I told already, prime factors only we want. I have to write 72 as a prime factors only I want. Okay, ba? Now, this 3 and 3 can I split? No. 3 is a prime number. Stop. 3 is a prime number. Stop. 4 is not a prime number. So split that into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 is a prime number. Stop. 2 is a prime number. Stop. 2 is a prime number. Stop. So now we got all prime number. Want means do the shading. The prime numbers can be shaded. So that lightly, though darkly don't shade, that I cannot see the number itself. It shouldn't be like that. Okay. Now I need to write only the prime factors. 3 3 2 2. 3 3 2 2. And this 2, don't forget that 2 also. So this 4 we have splitted. We have to stop at a place where we get the prime number. 3 3 prime number. 2 2 prime number. This also 2 prime number. Stop. So 8 we are splitting like 2 2 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Correct. 3 3s are 9. Correct. All these together 72. Correct. What I wrote 72 as a product of prime numbers. 3 3s are 9, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 9 8s are 72. That is what we wrote. Using only prime numbers we should write. That is important. That is what the method. This chapter is about prime numbers only. Clear? This is about factor tree. Another factor tree also there. Third sum is full factor tree only. Question number 2, 2 sums we had. B1 I completed, A1 homework. Question number 3, also full factor tree only. Find the prime factorization of each of the following numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 sums are there. 4 I will do, 4 you must do. All factor tree only. Easy. 96. 96 is a composite number. Okay, which will come in some other table. 3 table it comes. Okay, even number we can try in 2 also or 3 also. I know that 9 also, 6 also, both are coming in 3. So I will divide like this and we'll see. 96, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 9, 0, 6, 2 3s are 6. So 32 3s are 96. I got this. So I am using 3 table. 3 into 32. 2 is also a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. So anything we can use. 2 multiplied by, if I use 4 2s are 8, 16, 8 2s are 16, 48 2s are 2 and 48. We can do like that also. At last answer, we both will get same only. You use 2 or you use 3. However is there, you can do. However it goes. At last answer, we both will get same only. Here for writing answers. Yeah. Okay. 3 into 32, 96. Now 3 I cannot split. It is a prime number. I won't touch that. That is okay. 32. 32 is a composite number. Which is composite? That only we need to split. Now splitting means saying tables. It can be prime number, it cannot be a prime number. Anything is okay. Last answer when I stop, I must get prime numbers. 32. I know 4 tables. Okay. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Okay, correct. This is correct. Now I cannot stop here. I cannot stop because 8 is not prime. 4 is also not prime. I want prime. 8, 2 table. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Again 4 is not a thing. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. To stop. 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. So we can stop. 8 process is over. Now 4. 4 is not a thing. It is a composite number. So 2 2s are 4. 2 and 2, yes. This we got. In the still more, we cannot split. Okay, this line I am erasing. Okay, so that this is visible. 2 2s are 4. That's all. We need to stop. At last we got all the answers. Now 96 is equal to, we are going to write the product of prime factor. Starting from the left corner. This 3 to start. This 3 not to forget. 3. 3 into 32 we did. 32 should not write. Then 8 and 4. That also should not write. 8 we 4 2 2 2. That also should not write. Here should start. After this, 2 2 2. This 8 was written 2 2 2. So 2 2 2. This 8 we got like 3 prime factors. Correct. 4 we got like 2 prime factors. So 2 prime factors. We got it for 4. That's all. This is the number 96 as a product of prime factors. Only prime numbers. Let me see, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 4s are, 2 2s are 4, no? So 24 4s are 96. We got. Just to check the answer, whether we left some 2s or everything is there for that. Clear? Once more I am explaining. Number 96 is a composite number. We need to split that as a, we want to get as a product of prime numbers. For that, we have to start doing with any number. Which table it comes, that table to say. For example, 2 table also it goes, 3 table also it goes. 2 also you can use 2 table, 2 into 48 you use like that. Otherwise you use like this. 48 to split. 12 4s are 48. Then 12 6 2s are 12. Like that to keep on splitting. Last answer, our answer will be correct. Any method you follow. 3 into 32. 32 split like 8 4s are 32. 8 split like 4 2s are 8. 4 split like 2 2s are 4. Why to split? Because 8 4 4 we cannot use here. Because that is not a prime number. Any table you can use. Yes, Safa, you can use. But you have to keep on splitting and bring to prime numbers. I want prime. That is the result. 3 into 32, 33 is correct. 32, no. Again splitting, again splitting, again splitting. We have to split up to that. We get a prime number. Clear? Again, if I teach another question, you still more clear will be. This one clear no now? Now one more factor 3. 4 factor 3s I am going to do. One, even if you don't understand, the other one will understand. You will come to know about the process. 104 is the question. I can ask any question in the thing. A I did, now I am doing B question. Third B, factor 3, page number, exercise number. Go through. 8 sums are there. That's what we are doing. Okay, now 104. We know that it is the time up. What time up? Test marks, will say 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 10, 0, 4, 2 2s are 4. I told not to ask mark. If you are asking mark, I won't say that. Quietly listen. 5 2s are 10, 4 2 2s are 4. 52 2s are 2 into 52. Clear? So first thing we did. Now this is a even number, which is a composite number. I want again to split. 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 down, 6 2s are 12. 26 2s are. If you not able, you write directly, I don't worry. 26 2s are 2 into 26, however it is. For better mobile visibility, I wrote here. 26 2s are 2 into 26, all okay. Again 2, okay. Now 26 to split. Concentrate here. 13 2s are 26. Now got the answer, don't worry. I will say marks. For that only I did correction for 2 days. To tell marks only we are doing correction. But don't trouble for that. 13 twos are 26. Stop. Now see, 2 into 50, 204. 54 I split. 26 twos are 52. 26, 13 twos are 26. I can stop here. 13 is the prime number. 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Got the answer. Equal to. Write this is the product of my prime factors. This 2 should write I shaded. 13 shaded, 2 shaded, 2 shaded. 13 into 2 into 2. 13 twos are 26, 26 fours are 104. This is the product of prime factors. Understood? Factor 3. 2 numbers, again splitting this numbers, again splitting this number. Here I cannot do so to stop. 13 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. So to stop. Any doubts? Okay. Then you may think that time is going on, what to do, like that. Okay. Third cycle test marks now. Ready? Again, don't ask what cycle test I got last time. Before that, what happened? Before that, stories and all. What I am telling, that is this cycle test mark only. We are talking about only third cycle test mark. Those who gave properly, they have uploaded. I have done corrections and I got the marks. That's all. No more papers are there to do. And I won't do also. Over. Time over. Which day cycle test, that day only we should send. Understood. Late submission was Santosh Kumar. Santosh Kumar, I want the reason also for that. Next day, afternoon or evening, something you have sent. After the cycle test, after one day. We'll say 1,000 reasons. Okay, ready, ma? According to the order, you submitted the paper, that only. Because I don't know who is A section, B section and all. That and all I don't know. Sri Kulali, 14 and half. 14 and half. Shrutika, 11. Lutfi Ahmad have sent some other paper. You have sent your sister paper or brother's paper, I don't know. It looks like first standard maths paper, some other answers. God knows what is it. In the pencil it was written and I don't know whose paper, no name, nothing was there. Your sister or brother paper you send, God only knows what is that. Third standard or second standard maths question paper, it was maybe. It was like that only. Safa 22 and half. Jivisha 20. Jivisha only was asking mark. Again 2 more times asking means 2 marks will do minus. 20. And Anaz 9 and half. She is getting always low marks only. Last time also got low marks only. Try to improve, ma. This is the lowest one. 9 and half. U1. Yes, U1. 20 and half. John Kristen. 17 and half. John Kristen, 17 and half. A. Karthik. 17 and half. Jolin Elma, I think so. Jolin, 16 and half. 16 and half. Simona, 21. Simona, 21. Rajaraksha, 22 and half. Rajaraksha, 22 and half. Srinidhi, 25. Very good, Srinidhi. Keep it up. Sai Saravanan, 19 and half. Sai Saravanan, 19 and half. Fahima Tapassum. I think twins are there. 2 Tapassums were there. Fahima Tapassum, Fiona Tapassum. Both got same marks only. 22 and half. Fahima, Fiona. Both of you 22 and half. Nabiha Farheen, 19. Nabiha Farheen, 19. Jason Philip, 23. Jason Philip, 23. Kamalam, 24 and 20 and half. Sorry, Kamalam, 20 and half. Fiona, 22 and half. Casilda Merlin, 25. Very good, Casilda, 25. Good. Pradeep, yes, Pradeep, 23. Pradeep, 23. Anuksha, 25. Very good, Anuksha. Keep it up. Jotam Calix, 25. Very good, Jotam. Saif Ahmad, 20 and half. Ritika, 13 and half. 13. 13 and half. Ritika. Tamika, 23. Tamika, 23. No, thank you and I'll be quiet now. Don't disturb me. Ritika, Tamika. Advika. Advika, 24. You got one fill in wrong, Advika. That's the reason, 24. Good. Farah Rahman, 25. Very good. Prijain Matthew, 25. Very good. Farah Rahman, Prijain Matthew, both of you got 25. Yashwant, 10 and half. Then this papers I will say in last this two. Yes, Kanishka. Yashwant, 10 and half. Yes, Kanishka, 15. Kanishka, 15. Sanjay Srinivas, 19. 19. Murali, wait. Lakshan, this I will say later, wait. Sanjay Srinivas, 19. Murali Anand, 25. Very good, Murali Anand, 25. Nathanel Jonathan, 25. Nathanel Jonathan, 25. Very good, Murali Anand. And there's Nathanel Jonathan full. Aisha Shahana, 24. Aisha, 24. Ahmed Rasim, 19 and half. 19 and half. Hem Shiva, 22. Hem Shiva, 22. Kavya, 22 and half. Kavya 2 times submitted the paper. Once only should do. Ritula, 24. Ritula, 24. Tarun Karthik, 24. Kavinsha, 19 and half. 19 and half. Robin Santosh, 21. Robin Santosh, 21. Santosh Kumar, yes, late submission, 22. Now, 2 children. Exactly your paper look alike. Same thing. Both of you exactly copied each other. This is the last warning for this two. Lakisha and Lakshan. Lakish, ask. I know that you will ask. Lakisha and Lakshan, 9 marks. Each of you. Paper both of you copied. Are you in the same house? Residing in the same house, what? Brother, sister, something like that? One is Lakisha, another one Lakshan. This is the last warning. They are twins, brother and sister. That's what. Since I don't know these children, no, that is the thing. Twins means should copy. Let it be. Twins means they can sit in 2 different rooms and can write the exam, no? Eating separately only, no? Then what? Separate your maths paper, your thing, it should be. Same, exactly copied. Which mistake under Lakisha left or he left, the same mistake. Each and every dot same. Even though I was not knowing about whether you brother, sister and all, I kept a note here. Copied, I wrote. Hereafter, no copying. It may be sister, brother, cousin, twin, anybody. No copying at all. Easily I will find out. These names I will tell to ma'am. Principal ma'am, I will say that these children and all copied. They are not doing properly. Will say so. Understood what I am telling? So last warning this time. Be proper in what you do. Not to touch the textbook, math textbooks at all. Till my marker. That's all over. All marks up to that what I got, I told already. Okay? Very nicely you did. No failures at all this time. Many of you got this one also. What was wrong I am saying, see. Max cycle test. The smallest prime number, 2. Yes, Lakisha. You must be sorry. This is the last warning. Understood. Don't think that teachers don't know. We will easily find out who is copying from textbook, who is what you are doing. Question number 2, many of you copied from the textbook. Question number 2, fill in. I asked, there are dash prime numbers between 1 and 100. There are dash prime numbers, means 25 prime numbers. Many times he told in the class also this one. 25 prime numbers are there between 1 and 100. Correct? There are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. You wrote all the prime numbers. 2, 3, that this, you took the textbook, copied all the 25 numbers there. But I have given marks this time. Since you mentioned the prime number only, I thought that, okay, let me give, not to cut, I gave. Next time I will not give. Okay? I don't tell. Selva Muthukumaran, if I get your paper only, I will tell. What I can tell. What I know. If you are sending properly, I'll get. The number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Twin primes, composite, correct. 97 is the greatest 2-digit prime number. It was wrong for many children. 97 is the 2-digit greatest one. Prime number. Many wrote 11 wrote. That is not, that is the smallest one. I asked the largest one. Remaining all correct. First 5 multiples. Next time onwards, when I ask multiples, you have to write, for example, I asked a 14 table. You have to write like this. Next time. This time, many wrote only answers. Comma, some 3-4 numbers you wrote. I want like this. How I gave in the material, like that. Multiples means like this. Factors means, for example, factors of number 14 means 14 divides 1, 14 divides 2, 14 divides 7. Then you should write the factors. Next time, be proper in that. I want like that only. Okay, factors and multiples. This time I have given marks, full marks only. But it should be done like that. Factors of 36 I asked. 36 divide 1, 36 divides 2. Many did like that also. Sum of the digits is whether it is divisible by 9 or not. Adding all the digits and to find. Many here they wrote wrong. 32, 31 something they wrote. Not divisible. It's not coming in 9 table. It's not divisible by 9. Like that should be. Sum of 3 odd primes. Many wrote correctly. I don't know how you wrote. But many wrote correctly only. Any 3 odd primes must use. Many of you used 4, 9. These are odd numbers. These are, this one, this is not a prime at all. So cannot use it. This is an even number. Okay. So, odd prime. It was asked like that only. Understand and write. Okay. Don't copy from the review. Answers looking at the book back and copying will find out. Next time see how I am changing the question. So bracket sum, many of you did correctly. Procedure wise you brought, I gave from this only. From another try it only, it was correct. And division by 2 and 3, then only division by 6 is yes or no. One question was like this, 8, 9, 4, 1, 4, 4 is divisible by 6 or not. It is, you have to say the reason. It is divisible by 2 because the units place is 4. It is an even number. Sum of the digits is 30. 30 is 30 comes in the 3 table. 10 3s are 30. So yes, it is divisible. Yes, it is divisible. So it is divisible by 6. So like that it should be. Google from problem. What we can do like that only. 1 will have 1 trouble only. Properly must upload, then only we'll get. Otherwise will be correction will be doing, we'll passing on to the next work. Full year we'll sit with the paper what. So this is about what I told you is about question 14. Question 15, many of you did correctly. Some of you had a problem in this also. Yes. Yes, 1 second, sir. Okay. First 17, this bracket, okay, divided by 10. This is the number I checked. Like this it should be, first to do this, 17 plus 3, then only 20. If you are doing like this, you will get full marks. Directly if you are writing the step, will not get marks. properly one by one. Then we'll get full. Understood? Thank you.